Welcome to this quick tutorial on adding text-to-speech in Articulate Storyline 360. Whether you're creating e-learning courses or interactive presentations, adding voiceovers can enhance engagement. But what if you don't have a voiceover artist? That's where the built-in text-to-speech feature comes in speech in Articulate Storyline 360. In just a few simple steps, you can generate lifelike narration for your slides. Let's dive in and see how it works. Start by opening your project in Articulate Storyline 360. Once your project is open, navigate to the specific slide where you want to add narration. Click the Insert tab at the top and choose Text-to-Speech from the drop-down menu. Type or paste your text into the text box. Select your language across the global country's languages and list you want. Then choose from various voice options to match your project's one, whether it's a formal tone or a friendly vibe. Finally, click Insert to add the audio and preview the slide. Welcome to the Effective Communication Skills module. Here you'll learn the essentials of effective communication, active listening, clear messaging, and nonverbal cues. By the end, you'll have practical techniques to improve your communication in both personal and professional. Let's get started. Thank you for watching this video.